Welcome to Sobha Home Truths Demo. A demonstration of Sobha's world-class quality standards by Manfred Angrick, Sobha Quality Specialist. Sobha manufactures wooden doors at its in-house interiors factory to ensure that only the best quality products are consistently used in all its projects. These doors are made of high-quality imported timber and wood skin. Aluminium frames that are prefabricated to the door sizes are used as templates. These templates are used to check the door opening size, to fix the door frames on the finished door jamb. Polyurethane foam is used in accordance with the European standards. The foam is uniformly applied in the dust-free gap between the door frame and the jamb on all the three sides. This foam creates a waterproof bond between the plastered and the wooden surface, thereby holding the frame firm and stable. All wooden doors have an architrave mold that covers the exposed joints of the door frame, foam and plastered surface. The architrave is placed over the frame using a locking piece to avoid lateral movement. Imported lacquer adhesive is used to fix the architrave to the door frame. This adhesive has high bonding strength and is moisture resistant. The architrave increases the aesthetic appeal of the doors. Sobha doors are machine finished to give your home a superior feel. No wonder our woodwork lasts a lifetime.